Millions suffer from kidney failure. Many don't even know they have it. This serious condition develops when kidneys fail. They can no longer filter waste from your blood. This is a major health problem. Without functioning kidneys, toxins build up. This leads to serious health complications. Kidney failure doesn't happen overnight. It often progresses slowly. This makes early detection crucial. Knowing the signs can be life-saving. Early diagnosis can help slow down the progression. This essay will arm you with knowledge. We'll explore the causes and symptoms of kidney failure. You'll learn how to prevent it and manage the condition. Remember, this information is for educational purposes. It is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult with your doctor for personalized guidance. Kidney failure is often called a silent killer. It's easy to miss the early symptoms. They can be subtle and mistaken for other conditions. Knowing what to look for is critical. Common early symptoms include fatigue, changes in urination, and swelling. You might notice swelling in your feet, ankles, or face. Changes in urination might involve increased frequency, especially at night. You may also experience foamy urine or blood in the urine. The two leading causes of kidney failure are diabetes and high blood pressure. These conditions damage blood vessels in the kidneys. This damage prevents the kidneys from filtering blood effectively. Other risk factors include family history of kidney disease, heart disease, and certain medications. It's essential to manage these risk factors to protect your kidneys. Taking proactive steps is crucial for kidney health. Prevention involves addressing risk factors and adopting a healthy lifestyle. Staying hydrated is essential. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your kidneys functioning properly. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Maintaining a healthy weight is also important. Excess weight puts extra stress on your kidneys. A balanced diet is crucial. Limit salt, processed foods, and red meat. These foods can contribute to kidney problems. Focus on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Regular exercise is beneficial for overall health, including kidney function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. In addition to conventional treatments, certain natural remedies can support kidney health. Remember, these remedies are not cures, but can be part of a holistic approach. Cranberry juice is often recommended to prevent urinary tract infections, which can damage kidneys. Drinking plenty of water is crucial, as mentioned earlier. Certain foods may also offer benefits. Dandelion root has diuretic properties, promoting urine production. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which may protect kidneys from damage. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new remedies, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are taking medications.